a profile of the chimney. So I think we've got, we select this piece here and we copy that and we do an edit, paste in place, and then we do a copy that, scale it on a -1, edit, paste in place, bit convoluted, do a control, actually we'll take that line out there and we'll take that little line out there and then right click, make a group. That was a bit convoluted, but there we go. So go into this group, click on, actually no, we don't have to, but we've got our edge here. Come and highlight it, so we're good there. So now what we need to do is make a profile to follow around. So if we do the same thing we did before, on this line, on the green axis, go up. This is entirely up to you what you do. Let's scale that, scale it in to the edge. Now what we can do is put, that's the, sorry I'm not explaining, am I? 2-point arc somewhere along the edge, and then we'll come along the red axis, half circle, click on, there we go, it's nothing exciting, delete, so that will be the profile of the chimney. This is where you can go mad and you can do all sorts. So we triple click, we cut, actually no, this circle we done on the top there, if we double click, if we click on it, right click and explode it, we should have a circle. Yes, we've got a circle around the edge. So we click the circle, which is here, got 100 segments in, so it'll be pretty smooth, and then we click the follow me tool, which is this one, click on this, and then we've got the what looks like the chimney. Now you can reverse these faces, highlight, reverse faces. It's good practice. I didn't do this one, but we'll live with that. That looks like a bit like a chimney. So there again, up the top there, I'm sure we've got, well, we can actually use this one. If we make a group of that. We'll click the top first, we'll copy that, and then we'll make a group, right click, make a group, and we'll do an edit, paste in place. And what we'll need to do is make some rivets to go around this edge here. So if we offset this one, and then we want to offset it 0.1, say 0.2. What we need to do now is really draw a guide up there, isn't it? So we know where we can plonk the rivets. We find where we want to put the rivets on the blue axis. Come up, and then we've got a guide really. So we do that, get rid of that one. And then we'll find that edge again and we'll extrude it out to this point here. That sounds good, that looks better now. And then the rivets we'll put in the middle and they should drop down around that edge. If not, I'm going to have to think of plan B. So get rid of that centre, get rid of that edge, and get rid of that edge. Make sure that's, triple click it and then weld it. Now I have pre-made a rivet. We're going components. Just to basically half a round, and then we'll try and put it on the top there. There we go. So you can obviously set the spacing up so you can do it perfectly if you're a rivet counter. So what we need to do is highlight the ring, and then we go to extensions, and we'll link into these extensions, path copy, and at the bottom left it will say select group or component. We click on, and then we've got 4 rivets there. In the distance between, the bottom right corner, we'll do a 0.5, and we'll have a look. Doesn't look too bad. We'll click on delete, and we're happy with that. Click on the ring, we'll cut that, so we're left with all these. Well, actually we'll click on that and we'll delete that ring, so we're not selecting it. So now we want to select all them rivets. Looks alright. And there was another plugin. Is it right click, smart drop at intersection, and see if, no, it looks like it's done a good job. These will be lined up around your boiler. Obviously the spacing's not up to what your standard you want. You can always move them around. So on that, hopefully, if we highlight it all, right click, make a group, file, export STL, just do it as a test too. We'll bring up Prusa Slicer, we'll get that model in. Object too big, yes, okay. Scale factor of 1. We'll right click, fix through netfab. Let's go for a repairing model. And there we have chimney for our model, and that will I don't know if it will print in FDM. You could have a go, or you could export it to resin print it. I hope that helps, and bye for now.